My heart was wrapped up in clover. The night I looked at you, I found a dream that I could speak to, that my own. I found a thrill to press my cheek to, a thrill that I have never known. Oh yeah, you smiled, oh, and then the spell was cast, and here we are in heaven. For you are mine at last. For you are mine, for you are mine at last.
Interpretazzjoni eccezjonali hemmhekk grazzi għal Kaja illi flimkien ma' Max Pereira Lucas tituna daw it-tip ta' kanzunetti verament sbieħ. Kif